Alright, so now you might be thinking, how do I host a bot? Because a bot needs to be on a machine that's running 24/7, which is a server. Or that's basically how a server should be. It should be up and running 24/7. So let's just quickly look at the bot. Node app.js. And you can see the bot is logged in. And here you can see the bot is now online. So if I type the exclamation mark hello, the bot works. And I'm going to teach you how you can host this on your own server that you have like access to, and that you can either you have it virtual or you have it in your house. But I have a Windows Server 2012 R2 standard, and the way I host bots is that I don't actually use the Visual Studio Code. Here you can see my Udemy. Let's just open something. I want to open the CMD. Right, now you can see we're in CMD. And right now you need to remember how to locate the desktop. So users, so this is C. Then we go to I have it Swedish, so for me it's användare, but for you it's users. And then you select the user, and this is my user. And here you have a lot of stuff to that user. So here you should select desktop, and that's my desktop. So now you can see the path if we just have the path here. So you have to remember the navigation. So my user is called, so I'm already on my user, so I need to go to CD and then desktop, but for me it's called I actually have to write desktop on my computer. So CD desktop. Now I'm on the desktop. So now I need to go CD, and you have to remember that you have all these libraries here. You have all these folders here. And the one I want to navigate to is hello world bot. So I'm going to type CD hello, and then I use tab, and it finds the folder automatically. And since I have Node.js installed on my server, what you need to type node app.js, and you can see logged in as hello world bot. Now we can go back to the Discord and try the command, and you see it works. So that's the way I host it on my server. I just locate the folder with cmd, and then I actually run the command node app.js just because I have Node.js installed. And then the bot is actually up and running. So for me right now, when I do this and I have it on my server, I can actually like read stuff that are printed to the console and so on. So that's how I host my bot. And to exit the bot, Control-C, and then up arrow to run the latest command, and it's up and running. So that's how I host my bots.